Hi guys, today I received this KOPIDOE 3-in-1 compressed air duster and vacuum for vacuum purposes, and I'm gonna open the box. Okay, first thing we see when we open the box is the instructions, the main unit with the button secured with this tape. I'm gonna take it off. Okay, here are the buttons. Okay, these long edged tubes so you can use it on narrow spaces. These bigger ones you can fit more things. This brush case. This brush nozzle, which is really nice. This is a simple brush. It actually comes with two types of brushes, this one and this one. And the last nozzle. Lastly, here we have the filter. Okay, this you can take it and wash it like this, and you can wash this part. It goes in this part. This, and now you can use it, okay, like a vacuum, right? Because this is a 3-in-1, I'll use first the blower to get rid of that dust that is right here on my desk, and then use the vacuum. Okay, I'll take this part off and set it once again like this. I'll be using this nozzle. Okay. Oh, okay. You need the adapter, like this. Okay, it's blowing air. Now that I've removed most of the outer dust, I'll use the vacuum function because there's still little bits of dust here and there, but I will get better rid of them with the vacuum option. And now we'll here have all the dust. You can just take it out and this part wash it. As you can see, it's a bit cloudier, which means it has dust particles and all that. Okay, here it's the dust. Surprising amount of dust, and I thought my desk was clean, right? Okay, so yeah, that's how it works. It has different kinds of nozzles which you can use for whatever function you need. Okay, and something that I didn't mention, but it's quite important actually, is that when you're using it, it has an LED that turns on, so you can use it in your car, and if it's a bit dark, you can see better, which is nice and practical. Okay, just press the bit and it's on. Okay, so this is actually a very compact vacuum and blower, which is really nice. Okay, it has even here inside a filter so it doesn't get clogged or anything like that, and it's quite nice. Okay, you can charge it. You have different kinds of nozzles to use, and here are the instructions to disassemble and clean it. Okay, so it's nice, compact, and works great.